The ball valve attaches to the bottom of your air compressor's tank. It allows you to drain the water that condenses inside the tank. Over time, the valve can become stiff or stuck due to corrosion and rust. Replacing the ball valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before I start any disassembly of the tank or the pump components, I'll want to go ahead and drain any air out of the tank that might still be in it. The ball valve is located on the underside of the tank. I'll go ahead and tip the compressor onto its side to get access. The ball valve is simply threaded into the tank, so I'll use a wrench to remove it. Now I can install the new ball valve. It already has thread sealant applied, so I can just thread it right into the tank. And I'll position it so the handle is up.